I'm Sarthak. I'm the co-founder and CTO of Clapia. I look after all the engineering efforts, the product roadmap, and customer success at Clapia. Over the last few years, we have built Clapia as a platform that is scalable and robust. We have delivered lots of new features. We have onboarded thousands of customers seamlessly, and we ensure that the platform is always stable. But there is one thing that has enabled us to achieve all of this, and the thing that I'm going to be talking about today is the team behind this platform. So I can very proudly say that we have been able to build a team with very highly talented, capable, and highly motivated individuals. And there are certain qualities of this team that sets it apart, and I would like to highlight a few of those qualities today. So first of these qualities is the focus on maintaining very high standards in the work. So everybody in the team does that. Everybody focuses on maintaining very good quality in their work, whether it is an intern who joined us 2 months back, or whether it is someone who has spent 4 to 5 years with us, whether it is somebody from the engineering team or the business team or the content team. Everybody focuses on maintaining very high standards in whatever work they do. And this is something that eventually reflects in our platform also. You'll find Clapia as a platform which has very high scalability, availability, and reliability all the time. Right. Secondly, I would say that it is everybody's understanding of the business terms, business capabilities of the platform. So if somebody is working on a feature, if somebody is solving a problem for a customer, that person knows what feature he is building, what is the impact the feature is going to create, how many users are going to be using the platform, that feature of the platform, what customer segment we are targeting through that feature. The person is aware of right from the start. So this is something, and that is very important because that is something which gives a sense of confidence to the person implementing that feature, that they know that this is something that will solve some real world problems, some real use cases, and it will be used by X number of customers, X number of users also on the platform. So that is there. Then third thing that I would want to highlight is ownership. So everybody in the team takes full ownership of whatever work they do. It can be a small piece of work like resolving bugs on the platform, or it can be delivering a complex feature, it can be creating a complex application on the platform. Anything that the team does, they do it with full responsibility, full ownership, and full ownership in the sense that they are involved in the problem from the beginning till the end. So right from understanding what is the problem statement, discussing it, brainstorming it with the teammates, implementing the solution, getting it code reviewed, getting it live in the production, and even after the solution goes live even after a couple of weeks or months, the team members, they monitor how the feature is performing in real time in production. Are the users facing any difficulty while using that feature, or is the feature creating any negative impact on the platform? So they will just go ahead and rectify it. So all of this they do by themselves. It's not that somebody is kind of forcing them to do. That is kind of the practice that every team member follows. Okay, and lastly, the last thing which is kind of very important that we have been focusing on is automation. So as a platform, obviously we have automated a lot of things for our customers, for our users through the Clapia platform. But internally also there are a lot of things that used to take a lot of our bandwidth, lot of our teammates' bandwidth. So things which become repetitive and redundant. Nobody likes to work on those kind of tasks, and that is a common trait in the team, that if such repetitive tasks come in, we just go ahead and automate those tasks. So one such piece of work where we did actually automate was our releases of the code base to the production environment. So we own a lot of components, some 30-40 microservices are there, then 5 to 6 front-end UI components are there, mobile apps are there, Android, iOS, then a lot of customers ask for white labeled apps. So all these components have to be released to production, and our release cycle is very short, it's just 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks all this code base needs to go to production, whatever updates have been there. and it is quite a decent amount of task, which I don't think anybody should be doing it manually. And we never invested in creating or setting up a DevOps team. We just decided that we'll go ahead and automate all of this. So as of today, all the releases, all these components that I mentioned are released into production automatically every 2 weeks without any manual intervention. So a lot of bandwidth, internal bandwidth, we are able to save there. And instead we think that instead of focusing on these redundant tasks, we just focus our brains on something really important or something which is critical to the business. Another such example is there are certain customers or quite a few customers who come up with custom requests, like some customers would have very large apps with 500 fields or 100 fields, lot of workflows, and they want to create these applications from scratch. Or sometimes it happens that already have these apps, 500 fields apps, but they want to make some minor edits to all of these 500 fields. So the user interface that we have given is pretty straightforward. They can go and do all these edits or app creation by themselves. But again, if this is the scale, if 500 or 1000 fields have to be edited, we also don't want our users to do it manually. So what we did is we gave APIs for everything. APIs for very small things like doing some minor edits on the in the apps, like adding formulas, adding maybe some display conditions, or even for creating entire applications, we have given APIs. So the customers, what they have to do is just create an Excel file which they are anyway used to, and just upload the Excel file or run it through our APIs, and the APIs will take care of the rest. It will either create the applications or whatever edits the customers have requested through the APIs. The APIs will be able to handle it. So yeah, that's it. In conclusion, I would just like to say that with these qualities, these are some of the qualities that sets our team apart, and I'm pretty confident and I'm very proud to say that with this set of team members, we'll be able to take Clapia to the next level. Thank you.